Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to wax your skin perfectly and professionally at the comfort of your own home. All you're going to need is literally about 3 or 4 simple products: baby lotion, Johnson's baby lotion, a shaver, a fresh and clean shaver, shaving cream, shaving foam I should say, and bath wash. Stay tuned if you want to start to get perfectly smooth baby skin. I always add, I'm adding this to your bath, your bath wash. This is going to help your skin to get ready to get shaved, and this is going to help the shaver to run along your skin very easily, and you're going to get the best results. So make sure you add bath wash to your bath, and you're going to get perfect results. So what you want to do is you just want to apply the foam to your skin. This is nearly finished, which is not good news. You're just going to get a little bit of water and just lather it on your skin. That's simply what you're going to do. Guys, it's quarantine, so most of the things that we will probably go and get done professionally, we now have to do it ourselves. But at the end of the day, we are saving ourselves money. And what you're going to do now is you're simply just going to do it very carefully in an upward-like motion. And you do need to be careful because you don't want to cut yourself. And you can just rotate your arm and just go with the flow. You can also change the position of the shaver, and you can also go downwards also. And remember not to apply too much pressure because you're not trying to damage your skin or cause cuts and bruises. It's a very simple procedure, and then you're just going to do the same for your other hand. Just remember very carefully and slowly. Guys, we are literally saving so much money in this quarantine, honestly. We're saving so much money. And if you do have any requests of anything that you want me to do, please let me know, such as the application of lashes, how to do waxing strips, how to apply hair extensions. Just let me know and I will get straight onto that. It's so satisfying to watch, isn't it, guys? And you're just going to lather it onto your legs. And guys, if you are out of shaving foam, you can also use your bubble bath cream, and that can also do the job. I'm just going to lather it on your skin. Lather it on your skin. As if you're massaging your skin. Let's try and see if we can get a little bit more out. Nope. It is finished. And then you can start the procedure. You just have to be very careful. And then you just rinse it off very simply. And guys, when you do shave your legs, you do see a difference with your skin. It looks more smooth and much more attractive. And that's just the procedure we're going to use. Very simple. And you can just do that for the other leg. Guys, just follow this simple procedure and you will have a perfectly shaved legs.